In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use table view in Clickup. Whether you're an experienced Clickup user or just stepping into this dynamic workspace tool, you'll find the table view an invaluable feature to organize and manage tasks effectively. Let's dive right in and get you started. First, let's make sure we're on Clickup's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.clickup.com. The Clickup webpage is where it all begins. Once you are on their homepage, take a moment to explore the interface if you're new here. It's a powerful tool designed to simplify various aspects of project management, from task tracking to team collaboration. Now it's time to log into your account. Look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. This opens up the sign in page where you'll see multiple options to access your ClickUp account. For a seamless quick login, select the sign in with Google option. This is especially handy if you prefer using your Google credentials to streamline access across multiple platforms. After clicking, you'll be directed to choose your Google account. Simply find your account from the listed options and select it to continue. Now you're in, you've reached your ClickUp dashboard, the central hub where all your projects and tasks reside. Focus your attention on the sidebar. This is your navigation guide in ClickUp. You need to click on View located within your workspace options. This will open up various viewing modes and settings available for your tasks. From this list of options, click on Table. The table view is essentially a spreadsheet style view of your tasks. It organizes task details into rows and columns, providing a clear, structured perspective of your projects. This format is immensely helpful when you need an overview of multiple tasks simultaneously, allowing for easy adjustment and comparison. Once in table view, you have the flexibility to manage your tasks more efficiently. If you want to add a new task, simply click on New Task. This feature is prominently displayed, making it straightforward to input new assignments or projects. A new row will appear for you to fill in details like task name, due date, assignee, and priority. Be sure to take advantage of this to keep your workload organized and up to date. And there you have it, a seamless guide to navigating the table view in ClickUp. With these steps, you can now manage your tasks with clarity and precision. Whether you're juggling multiple projects or just trying to keep your daily tasks in check, the table view will be your new best friend. Thank you for watching, and happy task managing.